Alright, so let's start with our first data pipeline using MapReduce. And for this exercise, we will use the dataset which we downloaded from kaggle.com. Okay, so let's first copy that file to HDFS location. Okay, so let's bring the terminal and go to a directory called MapReduce, and then our project name ER911 calls, and under that you should have a directory called data. And in this you have the file which we downloaded from kaggle.com. So we want to upload this file to HDFS so that we can use it in our MapReduce program later. So let's do that. First, let's create a directory for it. All right. Now create another directory for this program, MapReduce to ElasticSearch, and save this file. Okay, put 911.csv file at this location. Okay. All right, so file is saved there. In next lesson, we will create the MapReduce program, okay, which will use this file. So I see you in the next class.